in Florida, personal lines insurance, meaning homeowners and auto, is skyrocketing and set to even have a more crisis level increase in rates and even coverage availability in going into the new year. And even if you're not in Florida, it's important to know about this so that you can make sure it doesn't happen in your state and you can avoid it. So according to this industry publication, personal lines in Florida is a crisis level event. Insurance rates, and it has to do with abusive lawsuits and fraud. Well, how does that happen? Is it just Florida? Is it people in Florida? Well, it's a little bit different than just the culture in Florida, which may have part to do with it, but it has to do with there's certainly some severe weather events in Florida. There's hurricanes that happen in Florida and floods, but the biggest reason is because the Florida legislature changed a law several years ago which allowed for a very unique fraud event to happen in insurance. So what would happen is a contractor, a roofing contractor, a mold mitigation contractor was allowed to go to a homeowner and say, look, we can get you a free roof on your house. All you have to do is sign this form and we'll take care of everything. We'll contact the insurance company, we'll get your claim paid, we'll get your roof fixed, we'll get everything done, and you don't have to lift a finger or pay a dime. And it was called Assignment of Benefits, AOB. And this Assignment of Benefits, basically what you're assigning is a form that said, this roofing company or this mold company, I'm assigning all the benefits of my insurance policy to this company, and I'm giving them authority to negotiate with you as an insurance company to get my claim paid. And you think that's a good thing. However, it also gave that company complete control over the payment of your claim, and they could submit bills to the insurance company even if they were fraudulent. And if they're fraudulent bills, you're on the hook for them. What's the cause and effect? Unscrupulous lawyers and unlicensed insurance specialists were targeting homeowners, promising them exceptional results if they signed over their right to make a claim. And they would sell themselves as taking care of everything, all dealings with the insurance company. And sometimes they would even give them financial incentives. We'll give you a gift card, we'll give you some money, which is illegal. And it also changed the law to say that if the insurance company didn't pay a claim that the homeowner thought was correct, that the homeowner could sue and get legal fees back for what they felt they deserved. Well, now you're assigning that benefit to sue over to some roofing company. So the roofing company sends an inflated bill to the insurance company for more than what it should be. And if the insurance company balks or says, this is ridiculous, there's not that much damage or the bill's too high, now that roofing company says, well, that's fine, we'll sue you and you have to pay our legal fees. And because of that, the law firms, adjusters, and contractors scammed homeowners and jacked up the rates. So now what happened is the insurance companies, having paid all these inflated claims, have to raise their insurance rates to homeowners. So those victories that you thought you had, which are really just insurance fraud, led to premium increases of 40%, meaning that if you were paying $2,000 for an insurance policy, now you're paying almost $3,000 a year for an insurance policy. And carrier appetite waned. What does that mean? That means a lot of insurance companies says, we're not even writing policies in Florida. And so sometimes their policies get canceled or non-renewed, and you can't get new insurance unless you go into what's called the pool, the high-risk pool. And in Florida, it's called Citizens Insurance. And it's high rates and maybe higher deductibles and poor coverage. So this is something that happened because of a law that was passed specifically in Florida, but there may be other reasons this could creep into other states. If there's similar laws passed, or even if there's not a law passed, but if other contractors or attorneys or law firms decide to try to use the same angle with homeowners in different states, the same thing could happen. So be aware of this assignment of benefits or unscrupulous contractors putting in insurance claims on behalf of a homeowner. Even if the rates in the state overall don't go up, your rates are going to go up if you have excessive claims or try to put in a fraudulent claim or have one done on your behalf.